Good evening, my name is Chizimama Hamway. I was born in Dallas, but I grew up mostly in London, and I live in Dallas now again. I'm making this video today because I like to be considered for the SEES internship, NASA internship. I like to do things such as watch films, I like to exercise, and I love to innovate, whether it's with Arduinos, just trying different projects, or tinkering with simple gear ratio mechanical systems, things such of that nature I love to do. I love mathematics because it's the language that ties the natural universe together. And I love physics because I feel as though it's the purest expression of science. Yeah. So one of the reasons the main reason I like to be considered for this position as an SEES NASA intern this summer is because I know that I can offer a standpoint that's more creative. My engineering, really, love for it, I started to notice, my parents started to notice, people around me started to notice that when it comes to watching films like Spider-Man, you see the web shooters and those kind of science fiction engineering innovations always stuck out to me, and I always tried to see if I could replicate it myself, come up with plans, write it down in my notebook, designs, sketches. But I feel as though that childhood spark for engineering that comes from a kind of maybe unrealistic standpoint never really left me. And I feel as though now that I've broadened my understanding of physics, mathematics, and engineering, and I understand what's more so possible within the realms of our physical universe, I also have kept and retained my childhood innovative and creative ideas. So I feel as though that is a positive because I can also bring to the table maybe more abstract solutions to problems that wouldn't have been thought of, and a less traditional standpoint on solving engineering problems. I also think that I could be a great addition to a team because now I've learned how to diversify my skills into a group setting and not just working solo by myself. I think that working with seasoned engineers as well as other young, hungry and aspiring engineers that are doing this program at my age will help me and bolster and sharpen my engineering prowess. I also love seeing how things fit together, and I feel as though that's expressed mostly in my love and part of mathematics, because I love to see how equations fit together, but it's also my love for physics because I love to try and understand how equations correlate, such as force being the change of momentum over time, and how that equation looks so similar and is in a way the same as Newton's first law, or how you derive the kinetic energy formula from Newton's equations. And I know this is a 5-minute long video, but I'd love to just derive that for you now. I love mathematics, and this is going to be my standpoint. V squared minus U squared equals 2AS. F equals MA. And W equals FS. I love mathematics. I've got 1 minute to solve this, so this will be my ending symphony, shall I say. So W equals MAS. AS, I'm rearranging V squared minus U squared equals 2AS. AS equals V squared minus U squared over 2. But we set U as 0, so that's 0. So AS equals V squared over 2. W equals M times V squared over 2. W, which is kinetic energy, equals 1 over 2 mv squared. That's the derivation. I love mathematics, I love physics, I love engineering, and I'd love to be a part of this great opportunity in your program. Many thanks. Chizimama Hamway.